I'm going to show you how to take your sesame seeds called ChamKeh and turn it into a seasoning ingredient just by adding salt called KehSoGeum. Now you could use sesame seeds for really pretty garnishes on so many foods. Now all the recipes that you just saw now, you could check them out and I'll have the recipe links in the description box below. I'm going to tell you the difference between ChamKeh, TtongKeh, and KehSoGeum. ChamKeh is basically sesame seeds that has not been roasted. TtongKeh is when you take ChamKeh and you roast it on your frying pan at a very, very low heat. So this white one is the ChamKeh, unroasted sesame seeds. And this one is the TtongKeh. KehSoGeum is when you take your TtongKeh and you crush it and you add salt to it, creating a seasoning powder, which is so good. I'm gonna show you right now. Set your heat to low and using a small frying pan, I want you to preheat this for about a good minute or two. This is how I toast my ChamKeh. That's about half a cup of sesame seeds. We're just gonna stir it gently around like this on our frying pan and make sure this heat stays at low and just stir, move it around like this, and 10 minutes later it looks like this. So dry roasting or dry toasting on your pan takes patience, so don't rush this. You know, at low temperature, 10 minutes later you have lightly toasted your sesame seeds. You don't want to rush this and potentially burn it, then the sesame seeds will turn rancid. And the next thing to do is quickly, you want to put this on a plate. You don't want to let it rest on your hot frying pan. Let it cool down, and this is ready to be used as TtongKeh. So I'm going to use 천일염, which is Korean sea salt that's been aged for 1,000 days. But you could use any sea salt of your choice. Just use a coarse sea salt. This is when you want to use your fanciest sea salt that you can buy or that you have. And just grind it a little bit, not too much, because we're going to grind it more with the sesame seeds. And then we're going to add our TtongKeh, our pan roasted sesame seeds, and then it's easy as just grinding it together like this. The smell is incredible. It's like toasty, buttery, but oily smell that just gets your mouth watery. So good. So now this TtongKeh has become KehSoGeum. I like to kind of be a little aggressive with it, so I want you to kind of go in from the side and press it down. Because we want our sesame seeds to be crushed so that you can also see like crumbles and broken flakes of the sesame seeds. So I would say all in, I've been kind of doing this for about good 3 minutes. Oh, this is perfect. So you want a little bit of that kind of crushed powdery look with some whole pieces or half broken pieces of your sesame seeds. That's exactly what we want. Oh, I almost forgot to introduce myself. Welcome to my vlog series where we review Korean ingredients, food, kitchen gadgets, and more. Hi everyone, this is Helen, and welcome to Modern Pepper. So what about storage? Just like any foods that are high in oil content, I would store it in a very cool, dry place and also eat it fast. Like the longer you let any foods that are high in oil content sit, it will get rancid. So it's best to eat your sesame seeds as quickly as possible. Let's have a taste test. Because we added the salt, the sesame seeds taste even deeper in taste, and it's just like taking over my mouth. Now this may sound weird, but sometimes I sprinkle a little bit of KehSoGeum on my vanilla ice cream. Yes, it's such a great combination. I mean, you need to try it and let me know if you like it or not, and hopefully you will. All right, just to be fair, I'm gonna taste the ChamKeh with you, which is sesame seeds that have not been roasted, so it's a little bit lighter in color. The flavors of the sesame oil taste a little bit more mild, but it's still delicious. It has a little bit of that like raw seed taste. You can't go wrong. Let's also taste our TtongKeh, the one we just pan roasted. The taste is deeper than our ChamKeh. Just has a deeper, buttery, nutty, sesame oil taste in your mouth. And like with every bite, the seeds are like bursting open in my mouth. It's such a nice, I like all three. What can I say? So here is an important tip that I want to share with my friends, especially my friends that are new to Korean cooking. I've seen so many recipes out there where they put so much, I mean like so much sesame seeds as their garnish, and it really isn't a garnish because they just keep on putting it. When it comes to sesame seeds, ChamKeh or TtongKeh or KehSoGeum, less is more. I mean, honestly, it's so pretty to add to anything as a little topping, but it should not be an explosion of sesame seeds all over your food. It doesn't make it taste better because you add more. When it comes to sesame seeds, less is more. Please. So, should you buy it? Absolutely. It's a great way to make your foods look really pretty with a little dusting of whole sesame seeds. And when you turn it into KehSoGeum, it really is a great flavor enhancer that adds that really nice and nutty buttery taste. I would definitely have sesame seeds and KehSoGeum as my arsenal of Korean seasonings at home. And you could also use it for non-Korean dishes as well. So next time you go to the Korean market, you'll know which sesame seeds to buy. And I want to also emphasize that other Asian sesame seeds are not the same as Korean sesame seeds. So, I mean, you know, there's similarities, but it's different. But if you don't live near a Korean supermarket, you could order these online and you could check out my Amazon storefront or my webpage store at modernpepper.com. Wait, don't go anywhere. Make sure to check out youtube.com/modernpepper and check out my library of Korean recipes so we can make Korean food together. As always, I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you have not done so. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here. You could still give these oh my god. To my vlog series where what do I use it on? And what else can I use? Oh no. So you're thinking about, oh, this is Helen. Oh no. Okay, so let me